and welcome to a very chill day where I'm gonna be dog sitting and animating. I had this idea to make a notebook that opens up and it's kind of like a scrapbook. And I'm gonna use one of my previous projects and I'll just copy paste some objects from that scene into the scrapbook. I didn't make a sketch for this, but I did make a quick collage. Collage? Anyways, I made one of those on Pinterest just to kind of get my idea out really fast. If you don't like drawing or sketching, I highly recommend using Pinterest to make your own collages. Collages? Please. How do you say that? If you haven't seen my previous video, I work as a 3D artist in product development, but it's also my hobby, so sometimes I just make projects for fun. Well, to be honest, it's always fun, even if it's work, but these are more, I guess, more artistic. I need to optimize my desk space a little bit to switch between my regular monitor and my pen display. I actually have one of those arm things to attach to the pen display and you can pull it towards you, but I just haven't gotten around to setting it up. But the XP pen that I have is also really, really big and heavy, so I'm not sure one of those arms can actually hold the weight. Okay, so I finished making the notebook and now I'm gonna start decorating it. And of course I'm gonna use pictures of the scene. Ceremonial. What? I guess you can tell that this scene is inspired by Henry Selick and Tim Burton and their whole art style and vibe. And it's also kind of a self-portrait because the doll is supposed to be me. So it's supposed to be how I would look as a Coraline doll, I guess. And here I'm just making a quick and pretty simple metal procedural material. I'm also dog sitting this week and I'm going to take them for a walk soon and I'll take you with me because there's this really nice field close to where I live and it's the perfect place to have your dogs off leash and just let them explore and have fun. So let's take a break and go for a walk.
Good job, Ben.
Okay, so let's continue on this animation. I'm gonna start decorating it with objects from that scene with the sewing machine. And I want it to be a little cluttered and look a little random. And now I'm going to use my XP pen to write all the text. And the reason why I'm using curves is because I want to animate the text to kind of appear gradually. And there's a really cool way to do that with curves. I used a very old Singer sewing machine for the reference, but I didn't want to use the brand name, and I also thought that Whisper sounded more eerie and gloomy, and it just made more sense for this scene. I'm just gonna take a quick break to make a matcha latte. I use the one from Clear Spring and it's ceremonial. What? It's ceremonial grade. And this is the brand I prefer. It has a very bright green color and it's easier to make more creamy and foamy, which I prefer. I dropped this earlier, so the thing broke off. That's why I can't really pour with it. And now I'm just gonna make these little color samples, and I'm using grease pencil, which was a pretty bad idea because I forgot that it's not shown in cycles. So after I made this, I had to convert it to a mesh. No, actually I had to convert it to a curve first and then give it some thickness and then convert it back to a mesh to make it appear in cycles. Maybe there's a way to make grease pencil appear in cycles, but I don't know how. And also I didn't look it up. And now I'm just animating these little parts to make it more dynamic. And I am going to take a small break and just play with the dogs and then come back and finish up the animation. Okay, so here is why I used curves to write the text. If you set your start and end mapping from 0 to 1, you get this gradual reveal, which I think looks pretty cool. It looks like it's magically written and appearing in a book. I wasn't totally satisfied with the lighting in this scene, but this was meant to be a short, fun project. So I'm just gonna leave it at that, and I can always go back and improve the lighting. So I guess you could take this as a reminder to sometimes just finish a project and just have fun. And here is the reveal. Ceremonial. What?